Right, hello everybody. Today we're going to refurbish, or we're going to try to refurbish this key. It's off the Suzuki Jimny and this was my dad's car originally, and he's obviously tried to change the battery at some point and destroyed the key. So the first thing I'm going to do is take the tape off and see what we've got underneath. But before we start, I've actually purchased another key off a Suzuki Jimny, just somebody's spare key basically, but it's in far better condition, and we're going to use this key to refurbish this one. Right, so the first thing I'm going to do now is get this tape off. Right, the next thing we need to do is we need to get my dad's tape, insulation tape, off this key and see what we've got underneath. It's a bit sticky. Right, the old just come apart. See, the where he was trying to get the key off there, it's obviously it's just come apart. Now I believe when they made these keys in the factory, they actually put some thread lock on these, so you need a good screwdriver. All I've got is a Halford Special, but let's see if it'll do the trick. Yep, there we go, nicely done. Just have to press and spin it off. So we've got, when they come apart, they have this little unit inside with the buttons on. Now this has obviously got the battery in, so let's have a look at the battery. Now they do come apart, but I may need to use the key as a bit of a lever. Yep, there we go. And there's the battery. Now, it's a battery in them. It's a CR1616 3 volt. Lithium battery. Okay, so we need to get a new one of those. Now that's to one side for a minute there. There's the screw. You can actually see the thread lock on it. So if you haven't got the right size, a decent screwdriver, you are going to ruin it. So let's see if we can get the old one off. The old one, I did loosen the old one, so it's okay. I'll come off. I don't think this, the new one, sorry, I don't think this has got any lock on it. No, very, very small amount of it has. See if this fits onto the new one, on the old one, sorry. Perfect. I got this key off eBay. It's supposed to be a genuine Suzuki key, so everything fits as it should. Get this thing out. Obviously this is not programmed to my car, but the rest of the key is useless. I've bought it for the thing because the key was damaged. Okay, so we're going to get a new battery now and then I'll carry on with the repair. Okay, so we've got a new battery and we're going to install it into the thing, into the key. Now when you install this battery, you've got your contacts there, you install it positive side down. It clips into place like that. Right, and the other part, the top part of the thing, just locates and clips together. Like that. I've got a couple of cotton buds and just clean some of the crud away that's built up over the years. Just locates the buttons. The buttons just locates into the thing, into the key, the body of the key. Clips into place. And you can operate the buttons, the micro switch now. Got the new top, little clip on the little locating pin on the bottom there, just slots in there, turns round, and then we just put the screw back in. Make sure we got the right screwdriver. There we go. Snip it up. And other than cleaning all the key up, that's basically it. I'll just go and see if it works. So it's not quite located properly there. Something's stopping it from seating properly. Well, there you see this key, although it looks the same, ever so slightly different. Got a locating pin there which isn't on this key, so that's obviously a new addition, so I just need to cut that off really. There we go, that's better. Sits down. It's obviously a new addition to the more modern key. That's better, that seats down now. Just got to clean it up. I'll go and see if it works first and then we'll clean it up. Right, on closer examination, this key is far more badly damaged than I thought. It's actually got a crack in it there. You can see it flexing. Now, I've checked with the new key, and this other black part, the other side with the CE stamp, also comes off. So you just push that back there. That should just pop out there. It's trying. Right. That should. There it goes. It's just trying to go now. This is the old one here. It's got the clip. This is the new one here. It's got little clips there which you need to just fold back from there. With a knife. That should just fold. Careful, don't slash me fingers. Keep locking back into place. As I'm doing it, do one side and the other side just clicks back into place. Pain in the arse. Oh, bugger. There we go. It's off. Right now then. What I'm going to try and do there, see that part there, put some, just scrape it clean, make sure there's no crud underneath there, and just put a bit of super glue on it. Glue that together. There. I'm just going to get a bit of paper so I don't ruin the table, and I'll put a little bit of super glue on that and hold it together. Okay, so I'll go and get the super glue. Right, I've got some super glue. I'm just going to pop some in there. It's okay. Some actuator. I'll let that dry for a bit. I'll go and get a little file to file any excess down. And so we now to make sure now that this is all filed back. Little modeller's file. This actuator stuff, it sets in about 2 or 3 minutes. Use it for gluing the corners of your plastic beads together when we're plastering, rendering. Make sure it's nice and flat. Get any excess off there. Right, that seems to have done the job. Now then, this is solid now. Now, let's get this thing put back together. Now we want to change the buttons, don't we? So let's get the parts ready. That's the new back. So does that go on there? Click down to place. Fit in. It's just not seating properly. Right, okay. Need to file that down a bit more. Make sure that that little extra peg is cut far enough back. Let's try that. A bit of a lump there. With the glue. So let's see if that fits on now. No, it won't fit. It needs a little bit more. Let's try it now. That's okay. That's all right. That fits nice. Now then, Does the box fit in it? Just a little thing, and the answer is no. No. And why doesn't that? Ah, wrong way around. There we go. That fits in. So let's see if we can change these buttons. So we've got that bit of the key done. So now what you want to do is change these buttons. Push mouse, there we go. And then buttons should just lift off. Do they? Now they're different. Here's the control. No, it's different. It's an older key. It's not the same, so well, we can clean them up if nothing else. Let's get some of the crud off from in there. Look at that. It's just from years of being used. And then saying that, let's put that to one side for a minute. This is the new one. This is off the new one that I've bought. The buttons are actually different on this one. Where are they? Myself in a bit of a mess here. Where's the new buttons? There. See, they're separate. So if that's the same, which I don't think it is it? No, that's different. It's all different. Okay, so let's put it all to get all rid of all the old stuff. We're stuck with this, right? Well, there's the micro switches there. Goes in like that. And then that goes in. Goes in there. Put the top back on. Clicks on. Put them back into the key body. So that fits nice. Now then, let's get the new top. There we go. And a screw. Why isn't that locating? Okay. Right. A little locating tab there. Put it in. Hold it down. There's super glue there. Needs to be scraped off. Same. Right, well, key seems okay, looks better, nicer key now. Yep. Okay, job done. Now then, I'll just show you it working. Yep, the vehicle's on an ankle stance. It's another video coming regarding that, so let's just see if it's working. Yeah, there we go. You can see that. There we go. Right, in conclusion, we've managed to save the key. The other key is in just, you know, bits. It's no good. And what I did was I bought a genuine key off eBay. Cost me about £8, £9, free postage, and used the parts from this key I got off eBay to refurbish my genuine key, which has worked okay. It's alright. I've now got a key that it's not held together with insulation tape, and I've repaired the damage to it. Works. It looks nicer. I'll clean it up with a bit of well, acetone or something, just get any traces of the glue off the insulation tape off the key, and take it from there. Thanks for watching. Just thought I'd show you what I was doing. So hope it's of some use to anybody, because these things they're quite flimsy, badly put together. So I'm sure that it'll be of use to somebody. Quite a simple job. Couple of little screwdrivers, craft knife, little file, and some super glue and some activator. New battery. You do need a semi-decent screwdriver. This is a Halford's Advanced. It's not the best, but it's better than most, because that screw there, they put a little bit of Loctite on it in the factory. Why you would do that, I don't know, but they do, and you have to make sure you've got a decent screwdriver to get that out, because you'll strip it. Thanks for watching, and I hope it's of some use to you, and good luck if you have to do your own. Okay, bye.